Hi everyone, this is Kanu the Tarologer. Welcome back to my channel, and this pick a card reading is going to be about what you can expect in this coming week in your career, job, love, relationships, health and your luck during this week. So go ahead and choose your pile. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Timestamps are given below in the description box that is linked to your specific reading. And if any of you are new to pick a card readings, so I just want to give you a little bit of introduction about how pick a card readings work. So you need to choose any one of these 3 piles. So let me repeat that again. That is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So you can pause the video and meditate on the cards as long as you want. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile number that draws your attention the most. Once you choose your pile, you can check the timestamps given below in the description box and skip the video to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you and your intuition will guide you which message is for you. So watch the readings till the end, and these readings are meant to guide you and you are not bound by these readings. Whatever is being said here can be changed by you. Nothing is written in stone. Each one of us has the power to change it. So believe in yourself and most importantly, believe in that one supreme power always. Also, I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards so that you can choose your pile. If you want more time, then you can pause the video. So let's begin with the meditation. Hello group number 1. So I'm going to begin with your career and job predictions. So we have 7 of spring and queen of winter, and with 7 of spring I feel that you need to be assertive. You have to stand up for yourself in this week. So believe in whatever decisions you are going to make and don't back down with whatever you believe and whatever decisions that you are going to take in this week. And with Queen of Winter, I feel that you need to stay away from some people in your career, in your job, and those people could have their zodiac as one of the air signs, as their sun, moon or rising. Person could be Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. And focus on your work. Don't focus on these people. They might create issues in your career or job, and just ignore these people. Be strong and have patience. So these people might try to hurt you, but they won't succeed. So just ignore them. Be strong from within, and you need to be patient as well. You don't have to express yourself that much. And you might get some good career opportunities this week, or maybe some other opportunity that will help you to increase your finances. So don't ignore them. Do consider them because they might give you fruitful results in your near future. So do consider that. And with the star card, I feel that you will be optimistic in your relationships. Happier times are ahead in your relationships. If there has been any conflicts with your elders or with the younger people in your family, so those conflicts, those differences of opinions are going to get resolved, and happier changes in your love life and in your other relationships are ahead for you. So you are going to spend happier times with your family. Happy reunion in your family is on the cards. And in terms of your health, don't get stressed, don't get overburdened with a lot of responsibilities. Stress can cause health issues in your body, so take care of that. And there could be chances that you might suffer from any injuries, so take care of yourself while you are doing exercises or traveling. And so plan your next steps with an eye to the long term. So whatever decisions you are taking, whatever actions you are taking, think from the long term perspective first and then plan the next course of action. So don't jump onto conclusions and have patience. And your luck this week depends on the amount of actions, on the amount of efforts you are going to put in your work. So your efforts are going to be rewarded, but it depends on your actions. So whatever work you will be doing, do it with diligence and be fair with everyone. Your decisions should be based on logic. So this is a lucky week for you, but it depends on your efforts. So your efforts will get rewarded in this week. So the more the efforts, the luckier this week will be for you. So that's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. So I'm going to begin with career and job predictions first. So looks like this week you are going to be very patient in terms of your work, and with that patience, whatever you are going to create, that will get rewarded. Your efforts, your talents will get rewarded this week, and you will be following your passion as well. So whatever you are going to do, you are going to do it with a lot of passion, and in the end, your passion, your efforts will get rewarded. And as far as your finances and investments are concerned, so it looks like you will be restricted in spending your money this week. And if you are looking for any investments, then this is not a good time to go for that. So restrict yourself from any investments as well, because they might not give you desired results. And for your love and relationships predictions, so as Six of Winter card says, positive changes are on their way. So positive changes are coming up for you in terms of your relationships. So if there has been any kind of conflicts within your family or with your partner, so those things are going to get resolved. You might be traveling with your family this week. And with Six of Autumn, I feel that whatever efforts you are going to put in your relationships, so the love that you are going to give into your relationships, so that is going to come back to you. So your efforts that you had put in your relationships before and that you are going to put in your relationships this week, all those efforts are going to get rewarded, and love will flow in your life. Peace and harmony will be restored in your relationships. And as far as your health is concerned, so this week, take care of your diet, take care of your fitness program, and avoid taking any supplements. Instead of that, eat nutritious food. And with Two of Summer, I feel that take care of your stomach. You might get issues with your stomach this week, so take care of that. And with Princess of Spring, I feel that avoid taking too much of alcohol, sugar and fatty food this week, because you might get issues with your stomach, so avoid that. Also take care of what you will be wishing for in this week, because you will be manifesting whatever you desire in this week. So take care of what you would be thinking and what you would be saying, because that might turn out to be true. So think before you think and think before you speak. And as far as your luck is concerned this week, so the Dreamer is a very lucky card. So whatever you are going to start in this week will be fruitful, and trust yourself. And also with King of Summer, I feel that if you follow your heart, your efforts will get rewarded. Your dreams will turn into reality. So whatever your heart is telling you, follow that. Take action towards that direction. And with King of Summer, I also feel that your partner or anyone in your family who loves you so much is going to give you good advice for your endeavors. So you can consider that as well. And that person could have any one of the water signs as their zodiac. So the person could be Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. So if they are advising you anything, so do follow that, do consider that at least. So that's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 3. So firstly, I'm going to begin with your career and job predictions for this week. So with the Emperor, I feel that take care of the protocols of the company, take care of the rules of the company, be more organized, otherwise you might face issues with your boss or with your business partner or with the people for whom you are working for. And avoid making any important decisions in regards to your career, in regards to your job. So you can take your time, but don't rush. And with your intuition, with your wisdom, with your knowledge, you will get through this challenge as well. You will get through all these hurdles as well. So even if you want to take any important decisions, do it when you have a calm mind and you are in a very positive environment, so that you take action or decision that will be based on logic, and then you don't have to face any repercussions to your decisions or actions. And as far as your finances and investments are concerned, I feel that you will receive money from any unexpected source. And as far as your investments are concerned, I won't suggest this is not the right time, because you might suffer losses. So even if you have to do it only after you have put in a lot of research. And also avoid giving money to any of those people who have their zodiac sign as one of the air signs. So that is Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So it could be their sun sign, moon sign or rising sign. So avoid giving your money to those people in this week. And as far as your love and relationships are concerned, so with Nine of Winter and the Lovers, I feel that maybe you will be anxious in your marriage or in your love relationship, and there could be any conflicts going on in your love relationships, and you would feel like running away. But you should not worry about it, because the card says that you are focusing on worst case scenarios and you are running away from the truth. So maybe you don't know the actual situation, maybe you don't know their side of the story, and it will be applied to the family members as well if there is any conflict going on. So maybe you don't know their side of the story, maybe there is some tension going on, but it's just that you don't know the actual picture. So don't jump onto conclusions, don't decide on yourself, and don't worry, don't think too much about those things. and you can just talk to them and give them a chance to explain. So talk it out and resolve those conflicts. And as far as your health is concerned, so both the cards are indicating towards your bones, towards your hips, towards your thighs, towards your sciatica pains, towards your teeth, and also stomach issues. So take care of your bones and take care of your stomach this week. Don't overstress yourself, don't overstress your bones. And for the things that you need to consider, that you need to take care of in this week is the hermit. So whatever situation is going on in your life, whatever decisions you want to take, seek help from your mentor. Take advice from someone before you jump onto conclusions, before you take any action, or before you take any decision. So seek advice from someone who has that experience. And you might feel like being alone this week, but don't be too secluded, because that will create even more misunderstandings in your life. So try to avoid that. Instead of that, try to be more communicative in your professional as well as in your personal life. And as far as your luck is concerned, so with Princess of Autumn, I feel that this is a lucky week for your career also. So even if you'll face conflicts or issues with your boss or with your business partner or with the people for whom you are working, so those will get resolved in your favor. And the Chariot is also a very lucky card. So the Chariot card actually indicates that your destiny is in your hands. So it depends on you where you want to turn the driving wheel to. So be it professional or personal, it depends on you where you want to turn your driving wheel to. So luck actually depends on your efforts, on your endeavors, on your actions, your dedication, and your discipline. So that's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.